All right, what is up, Club? It is October 6th. Yeah, we got some flavor back in there. I was tasting kind of watery. Future me, digital me, smoker me. Mm-mm. Bitch, that is, mm. Man, if you don't smoke, you gotta try smoking. I know the first few drags, maybe cig, is gonna be like, why is anybody doing this ever? But then as soon as you stop, you're gonna be like, I think I need a cigarette. It's like, yeah, you do need a cigarette. You do need a cigarette. And you know what? I think you look cooler. I think you look cooler with a cigarette. It's like a person. Imagine a dude, just a dude standing around. Now, put a 357 Magnum in his hand. Yeah, he's fucking cooler with the Magnum in his hand, isn't he? Just holding a gun, cooler. Might be dumber too. Mm. Let's face it, he's probably stupider. But he's cooler. Probably to females a little bit more attractive. But this is not the point of the video. I got a package. Package. It is something special that I ordered. I was worried it was going to be in 2 or 3 boxes too. Um, see why. So, I'm also a little worried that this might be a little fucked up because of what I had written on it. And anyways, so let's take a look and see what we got. I don't know. Is it like wrapped in some way? There we go. Kind of sealed up pretty good for being like plastic or whatever. I guess they just want you to fucking cut it open. But, I actually don't have scissors. I did. And one of the things I got fucked away in my butter. Pen did the trick. That's basically my dead pen. Mm-mm. Yeah, they were all black. I don't know, man. I was thinking about that when I was walking to the post office to pick them up. I'm ordering them. That works. I'm ordering them, and I'm doing it indoors and shit. And I order them, blah, 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 right? And then I get outside and I'm walking to pick them up, and I'm like, fuck, they're all black. Black in Texas. I don't know, man. That might be just a little bit of hot, but we'll fucking find out. All right, so. All right, well, They're all fucking black. Shit. Whatever. What fucking ever. Alright. There we go. I got two. With the name of El Channel on them. What do you think, buddy? It makes it easy to read. I mean, hopefully, even outdoors. But these hats are not very good. They don't, I mean, with the default kind of setting of adjustment. Oh, there we go. Take that out of there. The default setting. Okay, that makes it better. This was it. I just wonder. Zero earning potential. There we go, bitches. So I bought two of them because I am going to have one of them up like here, and it's not going to be, it's going to be up there, but you're not going to be able to read it. And I'll have the other one up there too when I'm not wearing it. Ooh, this kind of gets behind the ears and was a little pinchy. Kind of forces the glasses down, pinches my ear. So there we go. That's like that. Yeah, I think maybe the black was not the best choice. But like I said, I wanted colors that would kind of make it stand out. Let's just see. I want people to be like, what the fuck is that? And be like, this is the YouTube channel. Blah, blah, blah. Conversation starter and shit, There we go. I got three hats all together. Two say that, right? What does the other one say, you might ask? The other one says, I was worried. I was thinking about it quite a few times. If they were going to kind of, like how they were going to fit the text on there. And like, was it going to get messed up or anything? No, it seems to kind of work itself out. So, yeah. Seems to be good. So there we go. There's the two. I gotta wear them outside. I'm gonna go outside with one of them on. Oh man, I just kind of get the sense just right now that that's gonna heat up the noggin just a little bit. And like if I'm walking and getting the sun on that sumbitch, yeah. But at least the text is white, so there's gonna be part of it that's just gonna be blanging off there. And yeah, hopefully it makes it easy to read what's on there, indoors and outdoors. I don't know. I have to see. because I did spend money on these things, and so yeah. But right at default, without any adjusting, and they're this kind of adjustable is what they are, not the um, I'm assuming that's adjustable. Anyways, not that old kind with the plastic buttony thing. That if you remember, if you're like me, um, those little, I guess, buttons. Uh, if you switched it up too many times, eventually they would like come off. And yeah, I had some of those hats, and the little things that would just be flapping, and you'd have yourself kind of a fucked up hat. "100% cotton made in Bangladesh. 100% cotton fabriqué in Bangladesh." All right. So there we are. That's what that is, and un buen día. Probably should have. I was thinking about making them like blue in that because blue is a good color and stuff. But I just went with black because I got black background and zero earning potential, and then I just kind of was like, well, Trump's got a black heart, so I'll do it in black. And now I'm like, well, maybe that'll heat the shit out of my head. I don't know. So, one for displaying on the back wall. It looks like as I got it set up, it catches the entire thing. So, occasionally, I'm going to try to put it up. And try to put the other one up kind of high so it'll always be up there, but it'll be hanging downwards. So, you know, I don't suspect it'll be showing the words in a readable fashion. Maybe I'll figure out some way to display it better because I'm not going to mount a display board for one hat. So yeah. Or even for all three of them, which I might put there. Wow, it jiggles. It jiggles even if I'm not touching any part of the thing. It just jiggles from me jiggling the room, the floor itself. That's awesome. All right. Get some earwax out of here and walk around the edge of the wind. There we go. Sounds good. Maybe I'll lay down. And then if I don't fall asleep, get something to eat. And yeah, good and good. So, tax rich people and oops.